Everybody knows MDF, that versatile board that's used everywhere. Well, nearly everywhere. Historically, MDF hasn't been used in damp or wet conditions, as MDF and water simply don't mix. Well, until now. As MDF pioneers, MEDITE has turned this on its head by developing the revolutionary MEDITE TRICOYA EXTREME, also known as MTX. A super durable MDF ideally suited to damp conditions, even fully exposed outside. Manufactured using no added formaldehyde and an entirely non-toxic proprietary process called acetylation, we treat the wood fibers before the board is formed, turning non-durable wood into a super durable panel, resistant to fungal decay. The panels exhibit outstanding durability and dimensional stability, which allow them to be used in applications once limited to products such as concrete, plastics, or metals. With the added benefits of lightweight, sustainable raw materials and a guarantee of up to 50 years above ground and even 25 years in ground, these groundbreaking panels provide architects, specifiers and designers with an entirely new construction material, allowing great design flexibility and endless opportunities for creativity. From signage and shop fronts through to landscape architecture, planters, garden rooms, external furniture, cladding, fascias, soffits, exterior doors, all the way to interior applications such as kitchens, bathrooms, wet rooms and much more. MEDITE TRICOYA EXTREME can do it all. A respected construction and architecture commentator claimed that MEDITE TRICOYA EXTREME will take the construction world by storm. And who are we to argue?